Hey guys, so excuse the mess. Like if you see anything like my husband clothes, whatever, about this, we just moved, so it's a whole lot of situation going on. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about that. That's not why we're here. We're here to what? Because we got a live plant. It's a live plant. Okay. I can't wait till you guys see this. Or okay. How many guys can guess what it is? I'm so excited about the screen. Okay, let me see. Is it on the box? No, that's my address. So yeah. Anyways. So we got this live plant from Home Depot. My daughter paid me. It's for Mother's Day. She bought me one for Mother's Day, and she bought me the other one's for my birthday. My birthday, you guys know, it's May 14th. So yeah, my daughter just purchased it for me, and you know Mother's Day was. So yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to see what it is. Well, can't wait to open it up to show. I haven't seen it yet. I tried to start opening it. I was like, I got to just record this. So yeah, that's what happened. Anyways, so let's see what it is. Yeah, so I had to do a quick voice over because my daughter was playing music in the background. So they had this this me trying to figure out how to open this, how to actually get it out of there, because they had mulch in the plant. I didn't want the mulch to go all over my table, which some of it did. But anyways, yeah, so I decided to open like this. My daughter helped me get it out. She didn't want to be shown on camera. So yeah, she helped me open up. You'll see her in a moment, or you'll see where the plant just happened to appear on the table because she helped me get it out. I couldn't get that box all the way open, so I had to crack it like that. And then I got her to pull it out for me. But you guys, I am so in love with this little bush. It has so many blueberries on here. Yeah. That's me getting the stuff off the table. Like I said, it has some at the bottom. I'm throwing back in there now. To keep the plants, to keep the bush wet. Like they had already watered the bush. It's going to keep it moist. Yeah, she got stuff on the table. That's so called. Yeah. Anyways, so we have made it outside. I put him outside. Yes, it's a him. I put him outside, and he's loving it. I don't know. I'm going to water him. He's not really dry, but I'm still put a little water on him just so he could stay, moist. But yeah, I'm so happy he outside next to Rosemary. And you guys, I have another one coming in a few hours. I'm so excited about that as well. So yeah, I have some more things over here planned that I just started. So we got some starters over here. I have inside the 4 containers you guys see. But I have in this container here, in the front top row right there, is cucumbers. Then I have a zucchini right at the end, and it was another zucchini, but it did not have any roots. So I just ended up throwing it out. There's no zucchini. Then I have 4 things of watermelon growing. I'm excited about that. I can't wait. I hope it's not too late for me to start doing a watermelon, because one day it stays so cold and rain all the time. So I'm glad I have my patio, so the rain it will be here. You'll be able to see it, but it won't be as bad for my plants to stay wet. I don't want to get too wet. Those are just tomatoes. I have grapevines trying to grow. I have so many other things to grow inside of those containers. Like I said, they go rosemary. I love that little bush. It's cute too. And I have rosemary on this green stalk with strawberries growing. I have kale right there and a stalk of celery. I don't have anything else in the top one with the dirt. I don't have anything in that one, or the 3 that's empty up to the top. I think I want to do mint and basil, and I don't know what else. Y'all guys give me some great tips. And sorry for the mess. Most of it be clean out here, but as you can see, they said the dandelions. I don't know if you guys have them. I know in the South we see them a lot. We have the dandelions growing. Yeah, they just going everywhere. Anyway, this from here is cabbage with black-eyed peas in the background, you guys see. But I grew a cabbage from a cabbage. So I had bought a cabbage from the store and decided to put the end piece inside some dirt and let it grow. Here goes some potatoes in this pot. These little things I use. These are some of the things I use. In these 2 pots right here, black-eyed peas, 3 pots, black-eyed peas, and the last 2 pots are bush beans. Okay, you guys, look what came in. I have my other blueberry bush just came in. Although I'm upset, I'm disappointed with my box because it's a plant on the inside. You got to be careful with her. You don't know. Just be careful. And I hope this plant is okay. But yeah, I did get this bush from the Home Depot. Let me show you guys. see, it says Home Depot. So yeah, that's where I got it from. Pray that it's okay. Like the box is just, yeah, let's pray. So now that I got the box open, it's not looking too good to me. Like look, and the leaves are kind of brownish looking. Trust the process, Victoria. Just trust the process. Oh my God, somebody pray with me. I'm just not. Yeah, look, you see the brown leaves. Like, okay, now that I have it out the box, it's not what I expected it to be. Got leaves on the ground, leaves falling off, some in the box. I pray that it looks good under here. We gotta unpackage this, so give me a minute and I'm going to unpack. You see that blueberry just fell off. We have a blueberry right there. Yeah, so we're gonna figure this out. I'm just looking right now at the whole little bush. It's not like my other bush. I think I was expecting them to look alike, and I know it's not. They're not gonna look alike at all. But anyways, let me see, can I get this off? Now that I got the plastic off, I have accepted that it's not the same bush, guys. Like, for real. Now that I look at the label, this is a pink icing blueberry bush. I'm gonna show you guys in a moment the name of it, and they are not the same at all. And the other one is Jelly Bean. The other cute little one is called Jelly Bean blueberry bush. So yeah, I just gotta get used to it. It look kind of skimpy. Now, like I said, I didn't put a lot of love in it. You guys tell me what to do in the comment section below, because it's my first time having blueberry bush, period. My first time having my first own garden. I've been doing it since last year now, and I was not able fully to actually have a full garden last year. Some things happened, so but this year I'm putting my all into it, and I'm buying mostly every little thing I can buy to make sure I have a successful garden this year.